Some additional things to consider with house fires. House fires are the most common structure fire. Most firefighter injuries and fatalities on the fireground are in house fires. Most civilian fire injuries and fatalities are in house fires. So is it really bread and butter? I can tell you personally, I don't like the term bread and butter or routine house fire. That doesn't show respect for the enemy. And again, if you don't respect the enemy can kill you. Some common pitfalls for house fires are as follows. Poor size up and not doing a lap if you can. Insufficient arrival reports, failure to take command, delay in calling additional resources, improper line location, and water supply delays. We've seen fires where both the first and engines want to beat each other, and neither one of them get a water supply or assume command, and bad things can happen. This can also result in neither officer performing a lap of the structure if they can, and sizing up what they have, which again is number 1 on the NIOSH 5. Additional common pitfalls would be to failure to locate and confine the fire quickly, failure to recognize an attic fire or fire in concealed spaces, delay in vertical ventilation if that's one of your chosen tactics. Primary search is often an afterthought, and lack of doorway or flow path control. All of this is another way of saying getting behind the power curve.